Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 9. So, we will presentation about the key section of the report. Introduction, literature review, methodology case, example, discussion, and conclusion. So, next slide, please. So, let us start with an overview. Qualitative research as Denzin 2009 described focuses on understanding human experience, social practice, and cultural meanings, going beyond numbers to capture context and interpretation. Within this framework, discourse studies play a central role. Language here is not just communication, but a medium that shapes power, identity, and ideology. The objective of our report is to review the foundation, application, and implication of discourse studies in qualitative research. The structure of our presentation follows six-part introduction, literature review, and methodology, case example, discussion, and conclusion. Next, my friend will explain the literature review, please.
All right, thank you for the opportunity. And here I will to explain about what research focus and what the concept and also type discourse study. So, what the research focus? Research focus of language as investigation related to the social and cultural context, writing and spoken communication, which aim to highlight meaning and influence social interaction. And for the concept of research, this is have three main concept, three main dimension: language use, communication, and interaction, social setting. It can be expected that this course study will formulate theories that explain such can be a relationship between language use, belief, and interaction. And for the type discourse study, this was study not about describing what component and the types is two types. The first one is text analysis deals with structure of the written discourse of object inspired by linguistic. And the second one is stock analysis focus on more dynamic aspect of spontaneous interaction inspired by social sciences. Thank you. Next to the presentation.
Okay, thank you. Next, we will be discuss about methodology. Discuss study as qualitative research methodology investigate how language construct meaning, identity, and power relation within social interaction. This approach view discourse not as a natural medium, but also constitutive force that shape reality, institution, and ideology. And it mentioned by Fairclough 2013. The methodology is particularly relevant in education, media, and social research because it allows the researcher to uncover how language both reflect and produce social practice. In discourse study, data collection emphasizes naturally occurring language and text. Common procedure include interview, which allow participants to articulate experience in their own word. Written narrative, where the individual construct meaning through storytelling. And focus group, which capture collective discourse shaped by interaction. Resources provide rich data for examining both individual perspective and broader social patterns. In addition, researchers may also analyze institutional document, classroom dialogue, or media text depending on the research focus. Data analysis in discourse study often involve critical discourse analysis or CDA, which identifies how language reproduce ideology and power relation. Research systematically examine vocabulary, grammar, metaphors, and interactional features to reveal implicit assumption and social positioning. Other analytical strategy include conversation analysis or CA, which investigate micro-level interactions such as turn taking and pauses, and narrative analysis, which explore how stories construct identity and meaning. Through this technique, the methodology not only describe discourse but also critical interpret its implication in social context. And next will be discussed about example and will be delivered by Ramzi.
All right, thank you for the opportunity. I will deliver the three main of the case study example, like a study, approaches, and findings. For the study, we discussed the application of the deconstruction as a research strategy in discourse study, especially through the double reading model proposed by Martinez Aguilar, Witches and Ten Boss 2025. And in these approaches is differ from other discourse study method because it's not only analyze how discourse shape reality but also question the condition that allow discourse to exist and appear of balance. The model used is a double reading strategy that is appropriate and iterable, meaning flexible and repeatable, with a variation, according to Martinez 2025. It consists of two types and parallel and independent reading. The first is double commentary, aim to uncover the dominant and hegemonic structure of meaning in discourse, including the explicit intention, like a fluid dire, of the text and author, as well as meaning that sound foreign or absent. This reading does not simply replicate meaning, but interpret is thus disabling of the illusion of the coherence and stability of the discourse, according to Martinez and Aguilar, 2025. And the second is the destructive reading, focused on the identifying hierarchical binary opposition in discourse and disrupting them through the difference, a force that disrupt and delayed the opposition decision. The aim is not to reverse the hierarchy, but to reveal a condition which meaning is constructed and opening the discourse to additional interpretation, like a supplement and undecipherable meaning that there is closure, according to Martinez Aguilar 2025. All right, next slide. All right, thank you. The discussion, the double of the reading is paradigma of the destruction demonstrate how discourse studies can uncover the text hidden tension as well as their apparent meaning framework. This method illustrates how language is flexible and contexted by appending a current interpretation and revealing binary opposition. The meaning is constantly negotiated rather than fixed, which make discover study an effective method for examining intricate social process in a qualitative research. Understanding how discourse create ideologies can promote critical awareness and social change in the field of the education, media, and policy. And the discourse study capacity to relate language decision at the micro level to power dynamic at the macro level, providing deep insight into ideology and identity is one of the main advantage subjectivity and possible researcher. Bias are among the drawbacks of this reliance on interpretive analysis, and the discourse study, however, and continue to be a crucial approach for revealing the social rules of the language. All right, I think that's all for me. Next.
Okay, thank you. So, to conclude the main content, our study highlight that discourse studies are a powerful qualitative research approach for exploring how language construct meaning, identity, and power relation. Through methods such as critical discourse analysis and deconstruction, researchers are able to reveal hidden ideologies embedded in text and interaction. While this approach is interpretive and may involve subjectivity, It contributes significantly to understanding the link between language, society, and ideology, particularly in areas like education, media, and policy. Next. And this for references. That's all from our group. Thank you and sorry if there are any mistake from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.